Villiers Brothers design ethic really is timeless furniture that fits into old environments and modern environments. We've designed things 20 years ago that are still selling in this day and age. It's not just the design and the shape, it's also the finish. What we've been doing since 1989 is making furniture and lighting. Mainly for interior designers, hotel specifiers. We're very traditional in the way we manufacture and process our materials. Because we're such low volume but high end, everything's handcrafted. Hand tools, power hammer is 100 years old. We have a mill that's probably 50 years old. SOLIDWORKS, it really helps on the shop floor from a drawings point of view and a clarity point of view, with all the required dimensions that are necessary to make a perfect product. I've been using SOLIDWORKS since 2007. Prior to 2007, we would sketch up a visualization. It would be an artistic sketch. It wouldn't be dimensionally correct. We would be punting it a bit from a it'll do point of view. It was so slow in comparison with CAD software, 3D modelling, SOLIDWORKS. I just had to make that leap of faith, and I'm so glad I did. Don't think we'd be in business without SOLIDWORKS these days, and we just had to buy into that. It was phenomenal. Once I've built a model within SOLIDWORKS, if a client requires it to be slightly different from a shape point of view, size, dimension, height, depth, width, etc., because I've built in the intelligence using the software, within a couple of maybe 5 or 10 minutes you can completely change the size, materials. For me, it was the fact that you could actually do modelling with virtual component parts. So we're using SOLIDWORKS Professional and SOLIDWORKS Visualize. It's fantastic from a rendering point of view, visualization point of view and drawing point of view. Really helps our client if we can present a realistic render of our design intent. A lot of the clients, they're professional interior designers, etc. They got a really good idea of what they want. They can give us some dimensions or drawings of the room or environment that our pieces of furniture are needing to go into. We can model the furniture to be proportionately correct within that environment. The one I'm working on at the moment, or the most current one, is a console table with a requirement for a mirror above the console table. This particular table, it needed to be front to back. The depth needed to be a lot less than it normally is. I used a curve-driven pattern. I had to really squeeze that curve-driven pattern down to a finite solution in order to sell the client what he wanted. Certain lighting products have been incandescent. We've gone from incandescent to energy efficient halogens, now to LEDs. SOLIDWORKS makes it very easy for Villiers to make the changes from old to new. Our ordering process for raw materials, laser cut parts, etc., thanks to SOLIDWORKS, is vastly speeded up. You can apply more time to get to doing the job so much better than you would have been able to do in any other way. SOLIDWORKS gives us a very competitive edge. Innova systems are always there when needed. If I've got any problems, any issues, they're there. Just at the end of the phone as soon as you need them. I was at 5-day essentials SOLIDWORKS training back in 2007. I was really perplexed not knowing how to do curve-driven patterns, which is very important for some of our beautiful shapes. And Nova Systems didn't hesitate in helping me find a solution. The future for Villiers Brothers with SOLIDWORKS 3D modelling software in mind, there's no other way to go but forwards with SOLIDWORKS and Nova Systems. It just gets better and better.